amperage has to be consistent all the time, so there's too often the batteries engaged. There's 5 prototypes, and 50 of them became available through a lottery system and loaned to people to use with the goal of a car. There's no neutral, but there is what they call an idle. During stoppages, or when it stops moving, it goes into idle to take the load off of the engine so that it doesn't generate more heat. Everything out to get all the heat, all the fuels entirely out of here. So you'll hear a whoo, just like aircraft on runways or tarmacs that you've been in. It's basically a jet with a drive shaft and no wings. That would be the best way I can put it. Okay, and again, it idles at 2,000 degrees, so, or 2,000 RPM. So when I started, temperature-wise, 13.5.